Dubai Airshow 2019. Dubai Airshow runs from November 17 to 21. U.S. Air Force personnel at Dubai Airshow 2019 at Dubai World Central in Dubai, which kicked off on Sunday, November 2019. Visitors take photos with Boeing 787 on display at the Dubai Airshow 2019. Visitors watch a flying display by Al Ferzan at the Dubai Airshow 2019. Visitors look at Emirates A380 on display at the Dubai Airshow 2019. Exhibitors sit inside a Falcon AW169 on display during the Dubai Airshow 2019. Al Ferzan team perform a flying display during the Dubai Airshow 2019. Visitors watch a flying display during the Dubai Airshow 2019. Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, Vice President and Prime Minister of the UAE and ruler of Dubai, and Sheikh Hamdan bin Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, Crown Prince of Dubai, with Sheikh Ahmed bin Saeed Al Maktoum, President of Dubai Civil Aviation and Chairman and Chief Executive of Emirates Airline and Group, at the Dubai Airshow 2019 at Dubai World Central in Dubai, on Sunday, November 17, 2019. The Supreme Council for National Security, National Search and Rescue Center helicopter displayed at Dubai Airshow 2019 at Dubai World Central in Dubai. Visitors at Dubai Airshow 2019 at Dubai World Central on Sunday, November 17, 2019. While more visitors and exhibitors may have joined the larger Farnborough and Paris events, Dubai Airshow has seen some of the biggest deals had being signed in recent years. Visitors at the Emirates Pavilion on the opening day of Dubai Airshow 2019. Visitors check out an Egyptair aircraft on display at Dubai Airshow 2019 at Dubai World Central in Dubai. 17th of November 2019. At the Dubai Airshow 2019, Emirates is showcasing its latest Airbus A380 and Boeing 777-300 with the mobility, blue, and opportunity, orange, themes of the expo. Spectators and aviation enthusiasts were able to watch a spectacular formation of 3 Chinook, 3 Black Hawk and 3 Apache helicopters, opening the way for the Emirates A380, closely followed by the UAE's air display team, Al Ferzan, set in an aero formation. Patrouille de France flying display on the opening day of Dubai Airshow 2019.